Welcome to VM Wealth Money Moves, your weekly roundup of the market movements that matter. On the equity market, Jamaica Stock Exchange has been coming under some serious pressure for over a month now, and today was no different. The stock lost $2.01 at the end of trading after a seller sold down to $23. A total of 379,011 units were traded today. On the money market, the Jamaican dollar fixed income market traded down this week to a high of 1.65% on 30-day paper in response to Tuesday's rate cuts by the central bank for their 28-day auction note from 1.25% to 1%. The downward trend carried over into Wednesday's new auction, where $18.3 billion went after only $12 billion in new paper, with a weighted average yield result of 1.81% and a successful high of 1.89%. There was some amount of demand for US dollar currency Wednesday, as the settlement of the NFE corporate bond became due. As to future rate offers, the market is in a wait-and-see mood due to the just announced tender offer by the GOJ to buy back global bonds 2022, 2025A, 2025B, and 2028. The total in circulation for the bonds are $249 million, $184 million, $800 million, and $1.86 billion, mostly owned by overseas players. The level of acceptance will determine market liquidity in the coming weeks and thereby the level of interest yield. On the bond market, 10-year treasuries fell 4 basis points to 1.46% following the release of manufacturing data confirming a slowing in U.S. economic growth. The ISM Manufacturing Index retreated for the first time in 3 years. On the FX market, the central bank has remained out of the market since the last intervention on July 19, but with rates dipping closely to $139, the market is anticipating a flash auction by the BOJ to quell the heightened demand. Contact your expert VM Wealth advisor before you make your next money move. Email wealthinfo@myvmgroup.com.